In the meantime, Acting Chief Public Health Inspector for St. James, Sharika Lewis, has provided an update on the parish's vector reduction program. As at January, there has been a reduction in the number of mosquitoes and rodents. Communities including Salt Spring, Rose Heights, and Retirement have benefited from the intervention.
For the rodent control program, this commenced on January 3 and will span over a 6-month period. A background of this rodent control program would have been the proliferation of rodent infestation, rodent sightings, as well as an accumulation of bulky waste, open dumping, damaged drains, and compromised food storage areas, particularly in the commercial district. 1,000 bed nets were issued, as well as several water purification tablets. At the end of January, Your Worship, the parish Breathu index has been reduced to 24.6, and this is a tremendous accomplishment for the parish of St. James.